I wish I could afford another vehicle.
Call 590-6000.
590-6000?
Yeah, calling 590-6000 saves you big money on a car with payments that feel oh so good.
So, all I need to do is call 590-6000.
World Car makes it so easy, and almost anyone can qualify. If they're over 18 and bring home $250 a week, just dial the digits. 590-6000.
Does 590-6000 give me selection?
There are hundreds of sweet cars, smooth SUVs, and even trucks at low prices. No matter your credit, no matter your trade, make the call.
I know. 590-6000.
Out of sight. Save money on a fine ride. 590-6000. Got that number? 590-6000.
Oh, 590-6000.